All right, so today we're going to be talking about finding the probability of a compound event. So that means probability of like more than one event. So if you notice, a lot of these notes are the same as our sample space notes, and that's because in order to find the probability of a compound event, you need to create a sample space. So I decided to just keep the notes the same and just add extra questions. So if we're looking at our first problem that we did, we talked about the sandwiches. Okay, so we created our sample space, and then it says, our follow-up question says, what is the probability of choosing a ham sandwich? So if we're looking over here, let's take out our highlighter. So I have wheat and ham, and then I have white and ham. So in order to find the probability of something, you have the total number of favorable outcomes on the top. So there was 2 ham sandwiches over the total number of possible outcomes, which we found our total number of possible outcomes was 8. So that would simplify down to be 1/4, or change to a decimal would be 0.25, or 25%. So it's pretty easy. It's just like regular probability, only you have to find the sample space first. And then for our second one we talked about rolling a number cube and flipping a coin. And our follow-up question, sorry, it's taking forever to load. Our follow-up question is, what is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4 and flipping tails? So 1 is not greater than 4, 2 is not, 3 is not, 4 is not greater than 4. So 5 and 6 flipping tails. Make sure you only highlight the flipping tails. So that would be our total number of favorable outcomes would be 2 over a total number of possible was 12, which would simplify down to be 1/6. Oops. Whoa! So that document just like went completely away. Sorry for the technical difficulties. So I just started a new one. So we were right here where we said it was 1/6, because at first it was 2 over 12. And we simplified it down to be 1/6. Or that as a decimal is going to be 0.16 repeating. So I'm just going to put 0.167, or it could be 16.7%. So again, it's just taking a look at the sample space, and remember the probability is the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes.